Hi guys, today I want to do a review on a Fendi Wallet On Chain Baguette, so let's get right into it. I ordered this bag online in January 2025, so I had it for a little bit over a year and a half. It came with a shopping bag, and then it was in this little box. I don't keep it in this box, but I will show you what came with it. So inside we have, this is like the receipt, or there was a return label too, which is pretty nice. Then a couple cards, other little things, a ribbon, and then this chain, which actually, that's funny, I never actually took this out, I never used it, but it's nice that it comes with it. So I do keep it in this dust bag in my closet, so I'll show you what it looks like. So there you go, this is the Fendi Wallet On Chain Baguette. They have other wallet on chains, but this is the baguette style, and this is in the metallic finish. So you can't actually buy this bag right now in the metallic finish. This was limited edition last year. So it came in the blue, pink, and I think gold metallic. But you can buy this exact bag in just the regular leather, non-metallic. They have lots of different colors, and I know they have lots of seasonal colors too. So if you take a look on the website, you don't like any colors, you might wait, because they always bring out different colors. So when I purchased this bag last year, it was 1980 Canadian, and right now it retails for $21.50. So little price increase, but not that bad. So I want to tell you a little bit about the size. So the length is 8.25 inches, the height 4.5, width is 2 inches, and the drop is, I believe, 8 inches. I have it on the longest setting. And if you use the metallic chain, then it's, I think, 21.75 inches, the drop. I do want to mention that this bag comes with silver hardware, which is actually really nice because I love silver hardware. But if you get the regular, the non-metallic, non-limited edition version, they always come with gold hardware. So that's just something to note. So now let's take a look inside. So you just have this clasp here. You open that, and here you just attach the strap, or in these little thingies you can put the chain, because you undo the strap, take it all the way out, and you can just put the chain in. So it's pretty versatile. Then on the inside I do keep the paper, I have it stuffed. So let's just take it out. Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside. So it is called Wallet On Chain. So you can see it has big pocket here, then it has multiple pockets for your cards, and then the main compartment. There's nothing on the back. I will show you what fits inside a little bit. So when you open it, I would 100% take my phone. I will always take my phone. So as you can see, that takes a lot. Then for cards, normally I would take a card holder, but when I have a bag this small, I just put in the loose cards. So you have lots of room here, or you have room here, so I think that's fine. Then I would always take my keys. So let's just see. This bag is really small, so you kind of have to maneuver it. Okay, so keys are in, and then I would just put a lip gloss and lip liner in, and that would be it. Honestly, I don't really need anything else. So let's just close that. Okay, and that's perfect. So this is what it looks like with my phone in and my keys, and like I said, a couple cards and lip gloss, lip liner, and that will be basically everything that I need. So let's just take it out, and then I'll show you a couple things I don't like about the bag. Okay, so my phone, my keys. So number one thing, well, I don't really like that much about the bag because the leather is really soft. So when it's empty or when it's not stuffed enough, this is really difficult to close. You just kind of have to smoosh it to close it. See, it did close this time, but it is a little bit harder to close it because it's very soft. Also, because this is treated with the metallic finish, I do feel like this is a little more delicate, and I can see a couple little scratches. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see, but there's a couple little scratches of the metallic finish, which I was honestly really surprised because I haven't even used this bag that much when I noticed. Another little thing that kind of annoys me is that the strap doesn't stay up on its own. As you can see, this is really heavy. I understand it has to be, but this is a little bit flimsy, so it just kind of flops if you put it down. I normally only wear this on my shoulder, so it's usually fine, but when you're storing it, this will just flop down. As for other wear and tear, I think this bag is holding up really well. There's no wear on the corners or anywhere else. For this being wallet on chain, I do have to say that this fits a lot more than, let's say, the Chanel wallet on chain, because that one truly is just like wallet on chain. This, because it has the 2 inches here, this can definitely fit a lot more. And you saw I fit my phone, keys, and I have bulky keys, and I could put other couple little things in there. So I think this is more like a small bag than just wallet on chain. For me, this bag is really just a summer bag, and I like to wear it mostly during the day with blue outfits. And I feel like because it's metallic, you could wear it in the evening too, but I don't think that during the day it's too much. I feel like the metallic is not that obnoxious, and also because it's pretty small bag, I feel like it really works during the day. I really like the versatility of this bag. I like that you can wear it just on your shoulder. You could theoretically take out the strap as well and just wear it as a clutch too. Or you could use the chain that I actually never used, but if you like wearing stuff crossbody, you might actually like that. Would I recommend this bag? I would definitely say yes, even though, like I said, you can't buy the metallic version. They have all the leather versions, bunch of different colors with gold hardware, which I know is more popular anyway. For wallet on chain, I feel like this bag is pretty roomy, especially if you compare it to other wallet on chains that are on the market. Also, I wanted to mention one other thing. I have 0 scratches on the hardware here, which I heard that scratches pretty easily, but yeah, no scratches at all. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and that it was helpful for you. If you have any other questions about this bag, leave it for me in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!